Partiti Gianmarco Pagato, nuoto Vigonza in 1, Jacopo Barbieri, schio nuoto in 2, Davis Panieri, 2001 team in 3, Nicola Magro, team Veneto in 4, Matteo Stecca, team Veneto in 5, Alberto Inglese, team Veneto in 6, Davide Molinaro, Arca Spilimbergo in 7, in 8, Nicolò Orlandi, Antares, Castelfranco.
Come to MIBs. Here come the men in black. They won't let you remember. Nah. You good guys dress in black, remember that, just in case we ever face to face and make contact. The title held by me, MIB, means what you think you saw, you did not see. So don't blink me, what was dead is now gone. Black suit with the black Ray-Bans on, walk in shadow, move in silence, guard against extraterrestrial violence. But yo, we ain't on no government list, we straight don't exist, no names and no fingerprints. Saw something strange, watch your back, cause you never quite know where the MIBs is at. And here come the men in black, Galaxy Defenders. Here come the men in black, won't let you remember. Now, from the deepest of the darkest of night, on the horizon, bright light into sight, tight camera zoom on the impending doom. But then like boom, black suits fill the room up with the quickness, talk with the witnesses, hypnotizer, neuralizer, vivid memories turn to fantasies. Ain't no MIBs, can I please? Do what we say, that's the way we kick it, you know what I mean? Or see a noisy cricket get wicked on you. We're your first, last, and only line of defense against the worst scum of the universe. So don't fear us, cheer us. If you ever get near us, don't jeer us. We're the fearless MIBs, freezing up all the flag. What that stand for? Men in black, and the men in black. Let me see you just bounce it with me, just bounce with me, just bounce it with me. Come on, let me see you just slide with me, just slide with me, just slide with me. Come on, let me see you take a walk with me, just walk it with me, take a walk with me. Come on, and make your neck work. Now freeze. Tell you this in closing, I know we might seem imposing, but trust me, if we ever show in your section, believe me, it's for your own protection. Cause we see things that you need not see, and we be places that you need not be. So go with your life, forget the Roswell crap, show love to the black suit, cause that's the men in, that's the men in. Here come the men in black. Here they come, Galaxy Defenders.
Anche di questa serie, la serie 3 vinta da Nicola Magro in 4:13:97 su Matteo Stecca e Alberto Inglese. Parte la serie 2, Federico Del Puppi in 1, Mattia Tescari in 2,